Hello students, this is the time for computer class and I am your computer teacher Ashutosh Kumar Misra. So we are continuing the lesson Python. I hope my last few videos would have been useful to you in understanding the Python and its simple program. So in my last few videos I explained about what is Python, who developed Python, what are the basic features of Python, how do we work with Python, that is, how do we open a Python file, how do we create a new file, how do we write a program, how to save a program, and how to run the Python program. So I also discussed about variables, how to use variable in Python, the different data types that we use in Python like numbers, string, list, tuple, dictionary. Their definitions and examples were also given in my videos. So regarding the working with variables, I explained about how to declare a variable and how to assign a value to it. I also stated some examples regarding this. So I also discussed about multiple assignments in Python, that is assigning single value to a multiple variable and assigning multiple values to multiple variables. So in my last video, I discussed about operators in Python. So what is operator? What are the different types of arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus? I explained their job and also gave an example to make you understand much better way. So today I am going to discuss about comments. Comments in Python. So comment is a term which is used in almost all type of programming language. So what are comments? First of all, the comments are the non-executable statement. They are the non-executable statement. Now what do we mean by non-executable? Non-executable means that the compiler or the interpreter does not convert them to the machine code. Then why do we write them? If they are non-executable, then what is the purpose of writing the comments? The purpose of writing the comment is that we write comment to improve the readability of a program. The comments are generally written to make the people aware about the readability of a Python program or any type of program in any language. They are used to explain the codes that we write in any programming language. They are also used to improve the readability, to make the people understand much about a particular program or particular word or about a particular functions. All the person do not have knowledge about the programming language. So if someone opens a particular program and he find comments over there in important places, it will help him to understand the job of a program, and it will also make him understandable how the program runs. So we generally have two types of comment in Python. The first type of comment that we have is single line comment. The single line comment is used when we want to make one line comment. Single line comment means the statements of one line will only be made comment. So we also know it as one line comment. So the single line comment always start with the hash sign. Whenever we use hash sign and write any statement before it, it generally becomes a comment. So comment is generally used to make the readability of a program much clear. I have cited an example over here. For example, hash. As soon as we use the hash, it means that we are going to write a comment. I have written a simple comment over here. This is a simple program to print your name. So now as soon as this comment ends, I will not have to use any type of symbol or sign over here. Just before the statement, use single hash. The single hash will make the entire statement as the comment. So this is a comment, single line comment. Now I use the print command over here, and in print command, within the bracket and within the quotes, I have written Ashutosh. So as soon as this get executed, we press the F5 key to run the program, then Ashutosh will be printed on the screen. The output will be Ashutosh, that will be printed on the screen. So in order to make the program more understandable, I have written this single line comment. So like this I can also write, suppose I have again used hash sign over here, and within hash sign I have written my first program. So as soon as I write this and I use the hash sign before it, it becomes a statement. This means that this statement will not be executed. Similarly, this statement will also not be executed over here. Only this statement will get executed and the output Ashutosh will be printed on the screen. So this is a single line comment. Now the second type of comment that we generally have is known as multi-line comment. The multi-line comment. This is the second type of comment that we generally have, multi-line comment. So single line comment generally makes one line comment. When we have comment more than one line, it is known as multi-line comment. So this is the first part of the video. The multi-line comment will be explained in the second part of this video. Thank you.